So my wanderings in Thailand led me to Khao Sok National Park. The most beautiful landscapes that one can ever imagine is a reality out here. Meet our traveling buddies Masij and Lisa. And of course, Carol.
We are broken.
You're still alive!
Meet the mystery man Niels, who was in the other boat, and he came to rescue us. And we were fixed and ready to go. This was the Jungle Trail hike.
Yeah, this one, the big bamboo. It's good make furniture or make the bamboo house.
They say photos are memories. It leaves an imprint within our soul of beautiful landscapes, people, culture, and the beauty that Mother Nature has to offer to us. The lockdown has been a bummer for a lot of people, but times change and travel will open again. Until new adventures, till we meet again. Take care and be safe.